Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today I'm just going to talk you through the eye look that I've got on today, and then we'll put a lipstick on because I've forgotten to do that. So I use the e.l.f. Retro Paradise. Really is a beautiful palette for this time of year. Whoops. So this is what it looks like. It was a fairly simple look. So I went in with Tropicana all on the lid and into the crease. Then I got some glitter glue and went over Tropicana and put this disco shade on in the lid. So it's a duochrome and it's like a blue purple, I would say. So like a blurple. Then I went in with Bahama to use as a liner. Then I went in with Canvas just on the brow bone. And I went in with Sea Salt on the inner corner, and I also used, let me get it, I went in with this Made by Mitchell All Smudge No Budge in the shade La La Land. I've had to sharpen it, so that's what that looks like. And then over the top of that I went back in with Sea Salt just to give it a little bit of bling. So like I said, a really simple look. Let's see what lippy I can wear. Obviously not a bright one. I don't know whether to wear this lifter gloss, you know. Yeah, I think that's the only one I can wear. There's a mirror here. It's a little bit not blended out properly there. Yeah, so I feel like that'll go. It's in the shade Petal. And they glide on like paint, these, don't they? They're really thick in consistency. Glosses aren't my favourite, but I feel like this one is probably one of the best ones I've got in my collection. I could do with blending out that purple. I used that brush earlier. It's one of the Abby Roberts one, AB201. I'm going to go in with this Sigma brush, the fluffy side, just to blend it out a bit, because I don't feel like I've done a really good job. All you can hear is the birds. Right, what I need, because if I continue to blend it, it's just going to go all over the place. I'm just going to, yeah, that's better. I feel like this foundation is a bit thick. It's settling into all my lines. It's the one that I got from Primark, so I don't feel like I'll buy that again. But this is the overall look, guys. So tomorrow I want to come on and do a look with you guys. I'm just not feeling up to it now. I'm going to be doing a health update really soon. This might go up before the health update goes up. I feel like I'm going to be doing it via a live though. I've not done a live now in 3 weeks. So yeah, I feel like I'll be doing that. Part of me really wants to use this tomorrow, but I've used it already. I don't think I've done a look with you guys with it, or this one here. But anyway, we'll be doing a neutral look tomorrow, and then maybe another colourful look on Sunday, and then we'll be done with this palette. And then the only other palette I need to use is the P. Louise Going Solo, which I'm looking forward to showing you the looks that I create. It was just a bit dull for today. My mood's already a little bit low as it is, and I didn't want to put grey eyeshadow on, so I thought I would go with that palette there. Yeah, I'm really liking the overall look of this. Don't forget to let me know which look you prefer, and I'll see you tomorrow for look 2. Bye guys. Hey guys, so we're just going to do the second look. Obviously I've done one eye, I've done the left eye, so we're going to do the right eye. And this is the palette. It's the beautiful e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, is it? Yeah. e.l.f. Retro Paradise. Now I've had mine for a while. It's absolutely stunning. They don't do this online anymore, but they do it on eBay. I've just ordered one for a friend. So we're going to go into it. First of all, I went in with Caliente. So Caliente on the lid and into the crease. I'm going to use these new brushes. I was saving them for a collaboration I'm doing, but I'm going to use them now and just see if they're any good. These are my Jessup brushes that I ordered. They're short on that, I've not actually hauled them. I feel like I want to go in with this really big one. It reminds me of a Rephr brush that I've seen people use. So this will pack the colour on really quickly. So I'm going to go in with Caliente. So it's a really nice bright orange. Seems to be going on well, but because it's quite fluffy, so the other side I use my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes, so I'm just trying to establish which brushes I like the best. So yeah, I bought these brushes to do a collaboration, and just because everyone had been raving about Jessup brushes for a while, and I wanted to see if I would like them. So I'm using them now, so I'll be able to tell you at the end of this video what I think. And it's a really good set. So you're getting 12 pieces. They just say Jessup there, but I don't think you'll see that. You're getting 12 pieces for £10.49 or £11.49 normally. I got these for £10.49, and that's with shipping, guys. I think they're £9.99 and then on top it's £2.99 shipping. And I got them from Amazon. So as I was saying, I got the brushes from Amazon, and it seems to be a really good set. So next I went in with Fuego just to blend that shade out. Let's use this brush. They don't have any numbers on, they just say Jessup. So they do a lot of brushes. These are kind of the run-of-the-mill ones. They do some really nice rose gold ones. They do some really nice face brushes. So I'm just blending this out. And I just thought I would try the cheapest ones that they do, which was these. They do really remind me of Rephr. So, I mean, they seem to be blending out really nicely. And I just thought this would be really good for the collaboration that I've got coming up on the channel. So yeah, that's that one. And I probably will use them for the collaboration, or if not, I mean, I'm liking like these two, like, so just these two alone, I'm liking these as much as I'm liking my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brushes. So my thought process at the time was I can use the Jessup brushes while I've not got any other brushes clean, and then just use them as backups. But I do really like those two brushes. Then I went in with some glitter glue, so let me get that. Right, so I'm just going to put some glitter glue on. With the finger this time, I went in with Pudaier. And this is a beautiful gold, kind of peachy duochrome. And this look gives me summer vibes for sure. I think I'll recreate this again in the summer sometime. Then I went in with this e.l.f. No Budge Matte Shadow Stick in the shade Stella, just in the inner corners. Just a really simple look, guys. Then I went in with Canvas, this like cream ivory shade here. Let's just go in with this brush here, this clean brush. Makes a change me having this many clean brushes, doesn't it? Right, so now we need something for liner, so let's go in with this brush here. It's like a pencil brush, and I'm going to go back into Caliente, this one here. I'm liking these brushes though, guys, got to admit. Gonna use this brush on this side as well, because this side doesn't look as pigmented. And that's better. Then for mascara, I'm just gonna use this Patrick Tar one. So for lipstick I use this, I don't know how you pronounce it, Pudaier lip gloss, Attractive Lips. It isn't a lip gloss, guys, it's completely matte, you can see that on my lips, and it's in the shade 4, so it looks just like that. It's really, really beautiful for autumn, for the summer and autumn months, I would say. I knew I'd just done that. Don't you just hate it when you get mascara on your lash line? I think that's better. I'm just gonna go in with a bit more of Pudaier, both on the left and the right lid. So let's press that in. And that is look 2's finished. Look, guys, I feel like tomorrow we're going with a blue. I really want to do Rise and Shine though, but I don't want to do 4 looks with this palette. Depending on how long the video is, I might have to do 4 looks, but I might do this every time I come on camera now. Just have one eye already prepped with all the eyeshadows on, and then one eye will do it on camera, rather than me just like coming on with both eyes done and then in the next video we're doing the look separately. I feel like this is the best way to showcase it. Now let me know if you don't like that way. I'd love your honest feedback down below, but I do feel like this is a good way to showcase it. I know a lot of people do it this way, but you might not like it. If you don't like it, I'll go back to the old way I used to do things. So this is the overall look, guys. So we're going to leave this here, and I'll see you tomorrow for look 3. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm just going to talk to you how I got this look that I'm wearing on the eyes. So we're still using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. Guys, it's so worth it, it really, really is. If you've not got this and like the colour story, it's on eBay. There's a couple on eBay, and I just feel like it's a really, really good investment. So I'm going to tell you what shades I went in with today. I wanted to use this blue because I don't often wear blues. So I went in with Dijon first in the crease. Then I went in with Fuego to kind of blend that out a little bit. Then I went in with Caliente on the outer V, but I didn't really like it. It was too warm to go in with this cool toned eye look that I had in mind. So I went in with Sip Sip on the lid. Then I went in with Bahama on the inner corners. Then I went in with Royal on the outer V, and I like that a lot more. It's just to give it a little bit more depth. And then on the lash line, I bought this last year. It's one of Morphe 2's I Wish shadow stick, and you get a sharpener here like you do on them all. And it's called Fingers Crossed, and it just looks like that. So I've got that on the lash line. And then for lips, I chose this one first of all, this Too Faced Melted Matte. This is one of the most cool tone lipsticks that I've got in my collection without actually going too cool tone and making it almost grey. So I used that, and then I realised that I had this gloss, and it was in a project pan last year, and it's the Deck of Scarlet in Love Spell. So this is the overall look, guys. This is what we're looking like. And yeah, I really like the way it came out for a blue look, which we all know I don't gravitate towards. I do really like it. So like I said, this palette is absolutely stunning. So when I pulled it out in the last Shop My Stash almost a month ago now, I felt like there was some shades in here that I really liked. Like I knew I liked Rise and Shine, it's got a healthy dip. I knew I liked Price, so the same there, it's got a healthy dip. Disco, those two shades there are duochrome, so I knew I liked them, but I didn't know whether I wanted to keep in the collection. It's not going anywhere, guys. It's probably one of my favourite drugstore palettes. Let me know if you'd like to see a top 10 favourite drugstore palette and a top 10 higher end palettes. I could totally do that video for you. I feel like that would be a fun video to do. So I could like rank my top 10 higher end and rank my top 10 drugstore. What do you think, guys? Do you feel like it's a good video or not? I won't be offended if you don't want to watch it. I would just rather know, so leave me a comment down below. If I don't get any comments, then I won't film it. But yeah, I absolutely love that. So I've done 4 looks in total. This is look 4. I'll try and get a picture of look 3. I did do a YouTube short, so I'll just try and screenshot that and add it somewhere in the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please like, because it helps my channel out massively, and again, massively appreciate it. Share and comment, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.